German US Airways Express would like to welcome you to Charlotte, North Carolina. The local time is 1:38. Using wireless communication devices such as cell phones, two-way pages, PDs on pilots is now permitted. For your continued safety as well as the safety of those around you, please remain seated, keep the seatbelts fastened, and the aisles clear till the aircraft comes to complete stop is walked at the gate. The fasten seatbelt signs will be turned off, indicating it is safe to stand. Please use caution when removing any items from the overhead compartments as articles tend to shift during flight. If you hold reservations on another US Airways or US Airways Express flight, check the television monitors throughout the terminal to update this flight and to gate information or to the customer service representatives who will be greeting this flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, valet bags will be brought forward momentarily. Do not proceed to the rear of the aircraft. Please use caution when deplaning, as our steps are steep and narrow. We encourage you to use the handrails for your safety. Thank you for flying with us. It has been our pleasure serving you.